Alright, just out here on the bay right now. The sun's about to peep up over Stratty there. We got a real big high tide and it's just about to start swinging around and going outgoing, which is pretty ideal conditions. I'm just going to chase some snapper and brim early. I don't know how we're going to go. Last couple times I've been here, it's been pretty quiet, but you know, we got good conditions today, so hopefully we can put something together. Only problem, I got 2 GoPro batteries that are charged and that's it. So we might have about 2, maybe 3 hours of battery life if I can conserve it. So we'll see what I can do. Might be alright. I don't know what it is. Probably a little snapper. Oh, just a brim, I think. Can't tell. Oh, it's just a nice little brim. There we go. No tally. Good little fish to start the morning. Here we go. Now we're onto a snapper. On the drop there, I just saw some bait boiling. I just let that plastic sink between them. Oh, and it's come off. Fuck. Oh. Come on. Oh, hello. Fish running at me. Oh, very head shaky. Possible snapper right under the boat. He ate that very close to the boat. What do we got? Nice little snapper. Nothing big. He's putting up a hell of a fight for a little fish. Probably not even, probably, you know, probably just touching legal there. Tally, no. Yeah, I'd say just touching legal there. Probably just legal fish. But this one will be going back in the water. Oh, there he goes. That was a good little fish, eh? You know, nothing crazy, but he put up a hell of a fight under the boat there. The old dragon, the Stratic, is finally giving up on me. It's struggling a bit there, it was slipping, so we'll have to do something about that. Come on, dude, what is this? It's got to be a squid or something, eh? Oh, it's not a squid, he jumped on. Just a brim, I think. Actually a nice sized brim. He was just pecking at it like crazy, but he really wanted it, he just couldn't get the hook. There we go. Nice little brim there. Oh, see you, mate. What's a hit? Feels like a pretty good fish. Not 100% sure what this is. It's coming up to the surface now. Yeah, that's a snapper. Big head shake there. Oh, just a big bloody brim. Big old brim. That thing's a tank. Holy shit. I need a bloody net for this thing. Oh, jeez. There we go. Big old brim there, just on the Just got a little 1/12 jig head on, one of the Daiwa jig heads. I'm liking them. The bait keeper they've got on them is really good. And just a bloodworm grub there from Z-Man. But that's a tank of a brim. Can't be too upset with that. Thought he might have been a snapper, but there you go. Cool little fish. Chuck him back. Hello. Another brim, I reckon. Yep. Another good sized one too. You done, buddy? Kelly, don't bite it. No. Oi. There we go. Another nice little brim there. Got him. What's this? Bloody heavy. It wouldn't be surprised it's a brim, but kind of fighting like a flatty. No, there's some head shakes. Ooh. I'll loosen that off a little bit. The drag on this reel is pretty shocking at the moment. Very loose. Oh, I felt something go pop there. What do we got? Oh, jeez. It's got to be a snapper. If that's a brim. Oh, that's a big old tarwhine. That's a big old tarwhine. Alright, there we go, tarwhine. Don't catch these too often. I think I've caught one in like a previous video at this spot, but not a common capture at all. And they're just so cool. They kind of like got that, they kind of remind me of like a javelin fish from the front. Obviously they got like that brim body and that kind of like a snapper head. They fight like a snapper and taste like a snapper. But awesome fish there. Hey, gave me a pretty good fight. But I'm pretty stoked with that. That's a good sized tarwhine. We'll chuck him back. Oh, that's a good hit. Oh, he'll come back, he'll come back. Sink it back down to him. Come on. Turtle distracted me. Come on. Oh, he wants it so bad. Oh, don't know if he's going to come back after that. He got hooked pretty good then. Oh, he's so keen. They're so keen today. Another big brim. Oh, he's got his mates following him too. It's a good size, eh? Get off the foot pedal, Kevin. Another nice one. There we go. Another nice big brim there. GoPro ran out of storage, so I missed the end of the fight, but another chunky one, eh? Well, Kelly, get off the foot pedal, dude. Get off the foot pedal. Jeez. Bloody Kelly. Doesn't even know what she's doing. Doesn't even know she's doing it. Another brim? Oh, big Sweetlip. When I say big, I mean big for around here, but still easily legal. That's a sick fish. Oh. Stop chomping. There we go. There we go. Chunky sweetlip there. Yeah, good size for around here. Probably getting close to that 35cm mark. Wishing I had an esky right now because that's a great table fish, but we're going to throw him back. He was angry. Oh, that's a hit. Can he come back? Oh, I missed that. I cooked that. He'll come back though. He's on it, I think. Yeah. Bloody hell. This is just a brim again. They're putting up some fight today. And they're on fire. Oh, it's a sweetlip. That's more explainable for that little power run that he gave me. Probably just under legal again. But nice fish nonetheless. Oop. Duck him back. Ooh. Oh, come on. There we go. This is how the fish have been this morning. They're hitting it really finicky, but they're always coming back and actually getting it eventually. So it's quite strange. Usually you get a couple chances, but today they're giving me, they're not biting it very hard, but they're giving me a lot of chances to hook them. Oh, oh. Heyo, we got a snapper. That's what we came for, baby. Not a big one, not even legal, but come here. It's a snapper nonetheless, which means we're on the right track. Alright, just switched over to my second GoPro battery, so I'll probably have an hour and a half to keep filming, but the fishing's still red hot, so yeah, should still be able to put a video together for you. And you know, these brim at the moment, even the sweetlip, like these brim, like they're usually they don't give you as many chances as they're giving me right now. They're pecking at the tail. Like, you check that out. Look at the tail of that grub. Like it's just obliterated, but they're still coming for it. They're just hitting the tail, hitting the tail, hitting the tail like 3-4 times, and then they finally commit to that. But usually when they're doing that, they don't come back for the actual kill. But today they're coming back for it, and they're coming back for it hard. So it's quite productive fishing. We'll keep going. Oh, that's a hit. See that? He missed it. He missed it again. He grabbed the tail, and then he comes back and eats it. Gotta be a sweetlip. Surely that's not a brim. Powering down towards the bottom. I could be wrong. What is? Oh, it is a sweetlip. Little one, but good fun. Get Callie, stop biting the fish. See you, mate. And he's back on. Another bloody, what, these brim. Oh, big one. These brim are on fucking stupid juice. Like, what are they doing? And they're big too. It's not like they're little stupid brim. Like, brim usually are big for a reason. And especially seeing they get raped and pillaged around these parts. But there you go. They're being stupid today. That's a probably 35cm brim, and he's just hit it about 6 or 7 times. And then I just dead sticked it. Like, didn't even think he was going to come back, to be honest. I was just curious to see if I'd get bites, so I just dead sticked. And there you go, 6-7 bites, dead sticked it, and he just jumped on the hook. Brim aren't usually that dumb. Got him. Came up to the surface. Got a glimpse of him, but couldn't really. Oh, Brimbo. Good sized again, really. Oh, yeah, definitely good sized bream. Off the foot pedal, Kelly, off the foot pedal, off. Stop trying to bite the bream. Yummy, yummy, you fucker. There we go, another nice little bream there. Chuck him back. Oh, hello. Hit me on the drop, man. What was that? Well, it got me down the structure quick, checked that out. Took half my leader. There's only about 2 feet left on that. I had about 7 or 8 feet when I started. Look at that, just straight into the. I don't even want to guess what that was. Could have been a GT, could have been a snapper. Whatever it was pretty bloody big, so that's unfortunate. Wasn't even really ready for it, eh? On the drop, dude, I didn't do anything there. Absolutely nothing. Can't tell what this is yet. What's going on here? What do we got? Bloody bream. Bream hitting it on the drop. Bloody arsehole, that's a snapper thing, dude. Come here, come here. Callie, stop biting them, dude. They're good fish. Alright, bye-bye. Again! On the drop again! What is going on? I didn't even touch that. 2 in a row. Well, 3. I mean, the first one smoked me. And now 2 in a row I haven't had to do anything. May as well be throwing pilchards around. What do we got, Cal? What is that? Big old Sweetlip. Fuck, he's going. Look at that one, Cal. Check this thing out. Another good sized sweetie. Awesome fish, we'll get him in. Come here, mate. Fatty. Off the foot pedal, Cal. Again! On the drop again! What is going on? I didn't even touch that. 2 in a row. Well, 3. I mean, the first one smoked me. And now 2 in a row I haven't had to do anything. May as well be throwing pilchards around. What do we got, Cal? What is that? Big old Sweetlip. Fuck, he's going. Look at that one, Cal. Check this thing out. Another good sized sweetie. Awesome fish, we'll get him in. Come here, mate. Fatty. Off the foot pedal, Cal. Another very respectable grassy for around here. Not as long as I thought he was, but he's got some whip to him. Put up a good fight, hit it on the drop. I mean, that's bloody awesome, eh? We'll chuck him back. See you, mate. Point. No, dude. How many times have I got to tell you? Hey? Get out. No! Oh, he got me. Gnarly. So gnarly, the structure here, dude. Yeah, I felt that just rubbing the rocks. No chance there. He just probably a cod, or it didn't feel like a snapper, to be honest. But probably a cod, I'd say. And he just didn't even really give me a chance. Unlucky. All right, that's the end of this session. Golly, dude. All right, I'm gonna finish up the session there. You know, I wasn't really expecting much for today, but you know, managed a fair few good sized brim, that big tar line, a couple marginal snapper and some good sweetlip. So I mean, the only thing really that you can ask for more is a nice snapper and maybe a nice flatty. But I mean, as far as fishing these bay flats goes, I mean, that's a pretty awesome session. I mean, easily 30 fish got boated, you know, some real quality brim, quality sweetlip. You know, I missed my chances on the big snapper. That first big one that I lost was almost definitely a snapper. The second one, I'm not so sure. I'll probably call it for like a cod or something like that. But you know, it is what it is. You know, fishing 2 meters of water there, like, you know, that's what we're fishing, like 2 meters. So like, and it's pretty gnarly structure. And you run the heavier lines, you don't get the bites. You run the lighter lines, and half the time you get busted off. So it's just part of playing the game around here. Bit unfortunate, but coming into winter, so we should be seeing more action up on the flats in the, you know, the big snapper department. So if you want to subscribe to the channel, there'll be more stuff coming with, you know, hopefully some big snapper up on the flats, and hopefully I can crack that 70 centimeter snapper that I've been looking for. Corey did it, so you know, I must be due. And we'll go take this one over to the dog beach, eh? We'll finish up the video there. Thanks for watching.